Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we learn teleport effect in Adobe After Effects. First we import a video, then adjust a video. Then we import a background image and adjust. We click on a video and split the video. Then double-click on Split Layer. And we create a roto. We create a perfect roto. Then we click on Split Layer and pre-compose the layer. We change the name to Freeze. Then we right-click on it, and go to the time, and freeze frame. And we go to left, 3 frame. Then we split the layer and cut it off. Then duplicate the layer, and pre-compose it. Name is Dips Final. Then we click on Freeze Layer, and we adjust to anchor point of the middle, and we go to the transform, and scale it. Starting frame 100% to the 0%. Then we double-click on Dips Final Layer, and Turbulence Displace Effect drag and drop it. And we change the amount 120 and complexity 8.9. Then we press Alt key, and click on Evolution Timer. Then we change the time 1000. Then we go to the effect, and change the opacity. Starting frame to 0% and last frame is 100%. Perfect. Then we add adjustment layer. And split the layer. And adjust it. Then we go to the effect. And a ripple effect on it. And we adjust to anchor point. And change the radius 21, wave speed 2.7 and wave height 35. Perfect. Then we import a teleport effect layer. And adjust a layer. And we go to transform and scale it. We increase the scale. Then we right-click on it and go to the blending mode, then choose a subtract. And starting frame we split the layer, and go to the time, and time stretch to 150. And the second split layer also changed the time stretch to 150. And it's done, teleport effect.